Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both sides, Vmware and Gns3. First, import the Gns3 VM OVA into Vmware and power it off. This creates the virtual appliance you will link. Next, enable Vmware host-only and bridged adapters so Gns3 can communicate with your host and virtual machines. Finally, configure the VM CPU and RAM to match Gns3 recommendations so performance is stable. Once done, you're ready to move into Gns3 and establish the integration. Now you set Gns3 to use the Vmware appliance directly. Open Gns3 Preferences, go to Gns3 VM, enable it and choose Vmware as the virtualization provider, then select the exact VM name you imported. Map Gns3 Cloud links to the Vmware host-only or bridged adapter so devices can reach the VM. Once configured, start the Gns3 VM from Gns3 and confirm it boots. Make sure firewall allowances permit Gns3 traffic. If the VM fails to, finally, drag your Vmware VM into the Gns3 topology and connect interfaces to routers, switches, or clouds. You should assign IPs and verify routing or NAT so traffic flows. Save your project and snapshot the VM for quick rollback. Make sure VMware Tools is installed inside the guest for better networking. If something goes wrong, check the VMware adapter state, ensure the Gns3 VM is running, and confirm host firewall rules allow Gns3 VM communication. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.